पारुल का जायका. Today I am going to make South Indian dish raw mango rice. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will required are 200 grams cooked rice, 1 grated raw mango, 1 tablespoon peanuts, 1 teaspoon split black gram, 1 teaspoon split Bengal gram, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 2 dried red chilies, 8 to 10 cloves, 1 teaspoon asafoetida, 1 bowl fresh coriander, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons oil. First in a pan put 2 tablespoons oil, whole red chilies, mustard seeds, peanuts, split black gram, split Bengal grams and saute until golden brown. Now add curry leaves, green chilies, ginger, asafoetida and mix well. Now add mango, turmeric powder, salt, cooked rice and mix well and cover it and keep it for 5 minutes on low flame. Now add coriander leaves and mix well. Yummy and tangy raw mango rice is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then stay foodie and stay healthy.